Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this single bubble braid hair tutorial, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a hair tutorial. Yes, I did cut I can't even talk right. I did cut my hair short because it needed a cut, and on this side of my hair, like last week, all of a sudden I was curling my hair and like pieces of hair were missing. Now I had it like 7, 8 years ago, and it took my hair a long time for it to grow back. Now it's doing it again. I'm pretty sure that it's a medicine I've been taking, so I am going to the doctor to figure it out and do blood tests and all that stuff. But it could also be my hair was damaged, it got wet. This is a tip, I'm not a hairstylist, but I do know a lot about hair. Do not go to bed with your hair wet, because that's when it's the most fragile. And when it's wet, it can break off and get damaged. So hopefully it's just that, because that's what I was doing. But let me show you. I did cut off quite a bit of hair. So, and before I started recording this video, I cannot find like my hairbrush. I have one that I've been using since before or right when the pandemic happened. It's broke, but it still works. I went to Marshall's a couple weeks ago. I got a different one. Can't find that one. I got one when I was on vacation. I can't find that one. They all disappeared on me. So I'm going to attempt to do bubble braids. Now, I did a video a while back, and I got like almost 900 views, almost 1,000 views. So I like to do, like, I have a whole bunch of rubber bands here. For a fast one, I like to do single ones, and I do mine differently. Now, I do have this Kristen Essence Beach Wave spray. It's a texturizing spray, and I am going to use some of that to give it, even though I have natural curly wavy hair, I am going to use some of that to give it more of a grip. So, I don't know, I kind of just want to do a single one, and yes, I did dye my hair. That's why I'm doing this video, because my hair is dyed, and this is perfect for a heatless hairstyle too. So, I'm just going to, I don't know, I'm scared to put this stuff in, but this stuff is amazing. I use it when I curl my hair, or I wave it. It's perfect. So, and if you've been around a while, you know that I love this product, and it smells so good too. I picked it up at Target for $14. And the rubber bands I'm using are from Walmart, Scrunchie, and this comb that I'm going to use and brush out is a Conair. It was like $1 or something at Target too. So, who doesn't love Target and Walmart? And no, this video is not sponsored. So I'm just, probably, that's way too much, but, my friend who does my hair, she put layers back here to like cover up the spot too where it is broke off. So, whew. Okay. So I'm just gonna tip my head over and make sure I get all of the tangles. And by the way, when I find my brush, I will let you guys know. Usually I don't do hair videos, but every once in a while I do. I do Synergens makeup. If you don't know what that is, it's Synergens is a hair and makeup skincare company. It's long lasting, has skincare in it. It is amazing, and I have my very own link if you guys want to shop. This is what I have, just a natural look today. It is amazing, and if you live in the US, I can give you 10% off. All of our makeup is water resistant, waterproof, has skincare in it. It's not tested on any animals, doesn't have any animal products in it. It's smudge proof, waterproof, crease proof, anti-aging. It's so good, and it's vegan free, cruelty free, and gluten free. And the best part about it is there's no fallout and no cleanup. It is made in the US. I can give you 10% off if you live in the US. So, and you can directly message me over on my Instagram account at redesign16. There's a link in my about. So let's get started on my hair. So I think that I'm just going to do just one going down because I kind of want to wear a headband around it later. I don't know. Okay, make sure it's all okay. So I don't like go like this. Like I don't even part my hair. I just, wherever it lays, it lays. So here we go. And once I'm done, I will show you the back of my hair. Now, if I'm just doing a single bubble braid, I take quite a bit of hair and do it like, see it like all these hairs were like chunks. It's crazy. See how this side is longer? I don't know. So I'm using these neon pink ones. I'm definitely not going to wear this shirt, but I do it a different way too. So I make sure that it's tight. My hair, oh, don't do that. My hair was knotted. So then I just kind of go like this, and then I take another section. Okay, this hair is bugging me. I have to start all over and do it. I don't know, I'm trying to make it work. Okay, now I'm going to take another section. I want that hair to go back. Might have to start all over. So I like to section it. Oh, some people flip it, but flip it into that one. I don't. I've never done that before. So now I'm going to take another rubber band and turn around and show you guys what I am doing. It's not bad. It's hopefully I'm going to put a headband around. I can't even talk right. So I'm going to turn around and show you guys what I've already done. And then I'm going to do it again. And just put okay. So there's another one. 1, 2, 3. And then don't worry, I'm going to do a couple more right here. Now you could leave it like that, like this, or I'll show you. You can leave it like that, or you could go down the sides right here. Sorry, I was looking in the mirror right here, and do another one. This, if I was just doing this on my own, it would probably take me 2 to 3 minutes. Oh, forgot to add that hair in. So, gonna do it again. Practice makes perfect, right? So, my hair is a little short at the end, but you could make a hole and then flip it. See, there's little hairs right there. So I might add in another one and do it. To make another one. Oh, it came out. Okay, so if you have really short hair like I do, you could try to put it in, or you could try to bobby pin it in. Okay, the bottom piece is probably not going to work, but I will show you the back again. I don't even know what the back looks like, so here I go. And if you hear that noise, it is a paper shredder. So these hairs are just not cooperating. I'm going to pull it out something like that, and I'm going to try to fix that. But you get the gist of it. I'm going to finish up here, come back with the end result for you guys. Okay, one more thing I forgot to add was that I went back in off camera and I did this one and it works better. So, and one last thing, I like to spray it with this Perfection Medium Spray. It's a Kenra spray. I got it off Amazon a couple months ago and I'm almost out, and I love this stuff. And I ordered some on Amazon and it was the wrong stuff and they will not let me return it. It's a bummer. So I'm just gonna spray it Even though I have texturizing spray, I still don't know what the back looks like at all. But this is a very cute hairstyle, heatless. It is very fast and easy. So I will be back with the end result. So I'm back with the end result, and yes, I did put a headband around it, and this hairstyle is so simple and so easy. If you're in a hurry running to get out the door and you do not have time, but you have time for a little bit of makeup and a little bit of hair, or if you just around the house and you don't want to damage your hair, this is the perfect look. So I looked at it, and when I put the rubber bands in, I didn't realize how long my hair still was. Like, I thought it was pretty short, but it's still pretty long. So very simple, very cute. You could flip the hair over so it has more of a bubble braid, but I just like it like this. So please like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell before you leave, and so that you will be notified when I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.